curious roamer, the hand roaming all over the body, the bashful withdrawing of flesh from the fingers soothingly pause and edge themselves. The limpid liquid within the young man, the vexed corrosion so pensive and so painful, the torment, the irritable tide that will not be at rest. The like of the same I feel, the like of the same in others, the young man that flushes and flushes, and the young woman that flushes and flushes. The young man that wakes deep at night, the hot hand seeking to repress what would master him, the mystic, amorous night, the strange, half-welcome pangs, visions, sweats, the pulse pounding through palms and trembling encircling fingers. The young man, all colored red, ashamed, and angry. The souse upon me, my lover the sea, as I lied willing and naked. The merriment of the twin babes that crawled over the grass in the sun. The mother never turning her vigilant eye from them. The walnut trunk, the walnut husks, and the ripening or ripened long round walnuts. Continents of vegetables, birds, animals, the consequent meanness of me should I skulk or find myself indecent, while birds and animals never once skulk or find themselves indecent. The great chastity of paternity to match the great chastity of maternity. The oath of procreation I've sworn my Adamic and fresh daughters, the greed that eats me day and night with hungry gnaw, till I saturate what shall produce boys to fill my place when I am through, the wholesome relief, repose, content. And this bunch plucked at random from myself, it has done its work. I toss it carelessly, to fall where it may.